All customers now has a new update in the QDC. This update introduces a range of filters that can be applied to easily narrow down the search results, making it more efficient to find the information that you need. Additionally, users will now have the option to save customized views for the future references. This enhancement provides more streamlined experience, allowing you to quickly access and manage the information that you're looking for on the all customers page. You can create various filters or the views. You can even use search and filter tab to create filters as per requirement. You can choose anything that you would like to know about the customers, whether the customers are walk-in from the registration source. You can choose from which store do you want to see the information. You can also see the creation date of the customers. On the top, you have the search tab where you can search the customer by name, email, mobile, and all the other details. You can also save the views after using the filters and anytime access those views whenever you are looking for the information. You can also hide the information and use ascending or descending order option to use the customer's details. You can select multiple customers also to either block them or move the customers or even send them the messages as per the growth made marketing plan. I hope you now understand how you can use the customer's dashboard and use various filters to figure out the data that you're looking for. You can refer to the next videos to understand how does the each of the function works. Thank you.